Hi, I hope you're doing awesome. So the question we are seeing today is rotate an array. So suppose we are given an array, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We need to rotate it by k amount. That is, we are given a number k. Suppose if k is equals to 1, what we need to do is we need to bring this last element to the first, that is 5, and we need to shift these remaining elements to the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. For k equals to 2, it should be this element goes here, that is 4, 5, 1, 2, and 3. For k equal to 3, it should be 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. K equals to 4, k equals to 5. Just give me a second. Yes, here it is. So for k equal to 6, we'll see in a moment. If you see for k equal to 5, it is actually the unrotated array, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was the unrotated array. And for k equal to 5, we got this array again. This is unrotated array. We got this array again. For k equal to 6, let's see what happens. This 5 goes here, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you look carefully, this is actually exactly same for k equal to 1. So I can say that the moment my k becomes equal to the size of the array, right? K becomes 5. So it will actually correspond to the same array, which was the unrotated array itself. Now for k equal to 10 also this will happen, right? Because for k equal to 6, we went to 1 again. For k equal to 7, it will be 2, 3, 4. And for k equal to 10, it will be same as 5, which is actually same as k equal to 0, which is the unrotated array. Now let's see. There is also another case, which is if k is negative. Okay, what about that case? If k is equals to -1, we rotate the array in the reverse order. That is, the 1 goes to the last. So it will become 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 goes to the last. 1. For k equal to -2, what will happen is the 2 will go at last. Then that means the array will start from 3, 4, 5, 1, and 2. If you look carefully, this 2, 3, 4 by 1 arrangement, this is actually same as k equal to 4. For k equal to -2, this 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 arrangement is actually same as k equal to 3. So I can say that if, firstly, k is greater than array dot length, then what will happen is that suppose if my k was 1001, so instead of rotating the array these many times, 1001 times, what I can say is I can rotate it one time only, because for the 1000 iterations or the 1000 rotate operations, it will actually be doing nothing but corresponding to the same unrotated array in the end, right? So I can say that I can only rotate it one time. Similarly, okay, so let me write the logic first. Then k becomes k modulus ARR of, right? If the array length was 5, then 1001 modulus 5 is actually equal to 1, right? Okay. Also, if k is less than 0, then k actually becomes k plus ARR dot length. Because let's see, here the k was -1, right? And it was actually same as k equal to 4. So if I change -1 to -1 plus length of the array, that is 5, that the result becomes 4, it will actually correspond to the same array, right? Okay, so I have got my k set. Okay, let's see what else I need to figure out. That means actually rotating the array, right? Rotating the array, writing logic for it. Let's see. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. Suppose I have this array 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I need to rotate it for k equals to 2. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll take 2 elements from the last and 3 elements from the starting. Okay. So k elements from the last and n minus k elements from the starting. I'll reverse them individually. That is, it becomes 3, 2, 1, and it becomes 5, 4, individual reverse. Okay, then I'll rotate the array as a whole, that is 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, whole reverse. And this is ideally what I should have got if I would have rotated it for k equal to 2. That is, the 5 goes at the first position, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for k equal to 1. And 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. This is for k equal to 2. Let's see how do we actually code it now. So, firstly, what I do is I take n is equals to a dot length. K is equals to k modulus n, right? Because n is already set. And also k is equals to, if k is less than, okay, let's try just a sec, please. Alt, sorry for the inconvenience caused. So yeah, we were writing code, right? If k becomes negative, we transform k to k plus n. Right, now we have our k set. To reverse now, the first reverse, that is first individual reverse, second reverse, whole reverse. These were the 3 steps, right? Let's see. I'll write a reverse function. So I can call it like this: a comma I comma n minus 1 minus k. Right? Why is that? You'll get to know. And this should not be I, actually this should be 0, right? I'll try run the program for that sake. For n minus 1, and where from n minus k. I'll try run the program. And also reverse a comma 0 comma n minus 1. I think this should work. Yeah. Also, let's write the reverse function: public static void reverse and arr comma and starting index comma and ending index. Okay, so while starting index is less than ending index, what do is we arrow of I. So let's store it into temp variable, as we know how to swap it, right? And temp is equals to arr of starting index. Arr of starting index is equals to arr of ending index, and arr of ei is equals to temp. Yeah. So also we need to change the starting index, that is plus plus, and ending index, that is minus minus. So I hope this should work. Reverse, yeah. So let's see if it works. Yeah, it's getting accepted. Let's try to submit it now. Yeah, it's getting submitted. Let's try to dry run the code once, right? Let's keep it a short dry run though. Okay. We know how the reverse functionality is working. We have done a question on it. And if you don't know how reverse an array works, so you can take help of the video. I'll put the description there. Okay, so just a sec. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. I think there is a problem, maybe. My heart is actually here. Yeah. So what I'm doing is, firstly, I'm calculating my k, as I have discussed that if the k is greater than the length of the array, that it should be modulus by n, because in order to rotate the array like 1001 times, I actually need to rotate it only one time. It will result into the same set of array. Okay, so if k is less than 1, if k becomes negative, it will actually correspond to an array which is rotated positive of k plus n times, right? If k was equal to -1, we saw that k equal to 4 was also giving the same results. Right, now we reverse the first, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, these two and these three, these were set, right? So we reverse it from 0 to n minus 1, that is last, minus k. So that is 4 minus 2, that is second index, right? 0, 1, 2. This much of the part is reversed. Then from 3 to n minus 1, that is 3 to 4. This much of the part is reversed. And after they are reversed individually, we reverse it as a whole from 0 to n minus 1, and we'll get our answer. So if you are not getting why it's working, try to meditate over it for like 5 minutes and it will surely kick in. So I hope you liked the video and you understood the question well. And if you did, kindly press that like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.